This week, we talked about something most people never realize: how the people around you can quietly shape your inner dialogue, and how protecting your nervous system changes everything. Take a slow breath before we begin. Inhale through your nose and exhale longer than you inhale. Notice how your body softens when you do that. That's regulation. This week, we explored something powerful: your psychological environment. The conversations you participate in, the energy you absorb, and the subtle ways other people's emotions can become your inner dialogue. We talked about the friend who trauma dumps, and how caring about someone doesn't mean carrying their distress. We talked about the family member who doubts your choices, and how concern is not prophecy. We talked about guilt, and how love does not require self abandonment. We talked about the friend who competes, and how someone else's insecurity doesn't diminish your success. We talked about the chronic complainer and how rehearsing problems trains the brain to expect them. And we talked about the stranger whose bad mood can unexpectedly stay with you. All of these moments have something in common: they activate your nervous system. And when your nervous system activates, your inner dialogue begins shaping meaning. That's why awareness matters. But awareness alone isn't enough. This week, we practiced something deeper. We practiced neuroscience-based somatic regulation: breathing, orienting, grounding. Small practices that tell your brain, I am safe right now. Because when the body feels safe, the mind becomes clearer. And that's where choice returns. Choice in what you believe, choice in what you absorb, choice in how you respond. So as you move through today, notice something simple. Pay attention to the moments when your inner dialogue shifts. Ask yourself, is this thought coming from me or from something I just absorbed? That question alone can change your entire day. Let's take one final reset together. Place both feet on the floor. Take a slow inhale. Now exhale slowly and let your shoulders drop. Look around the room. Notice 3 things you can see. This simple orienting exercise tells your brain that you are safe. And when your brain feels safe, your nervous system resets. Take a moment later today and reflect on this question: which interaction this week affected your inner dialogue the most? Write down, what belief did that moment try to install in me? Then ask, is that belief actually mine? Protecting your psychological environment is not about avoiding people. It's about learning how to stay regulated in the presence of them. And that's exactly what we'll continue building in week 2. Save this video so you can come back to it anytime your inner dialogue needs a reset. Small somatic shifts build new neural pathways, and little by little, you change your life.